Hi, I'm Arlene Limon from the Love Philippines. I love reading horror stories. I'm simple and yet I love putting makeup on my face. I'm I'm not afraid of dark because I usually sleep with no lights at night. I love watching movies and I enjoy watching Vivo the Gift Dragon and my friends Tigger and Pooh. I'm a hard person. I'm a hard person and I know how to and I know how to find ways to achieve my goals. And most of my life my myself for being imperfect. That's all.